I wanted to come on and just give a simple message that you can ask nature to meet you. I brought the Rune Gebo, the rune of exchange. And you can sit by the ocean and talk to it. If you don't have the ocean to go to, you can find water in any form and just talk to it. You can go under a tree, lie, sit, and really realize that where you are is in a world that there's life and it's alive all around you. And remember that you're part of something living. I think we build relationships with places and nature the same way we build relationships with people. Through presence, through listening. Do you hear the waves? And through remembering who we are and how we can connect with it. There's a small island that I visit in my mind where I meet water. And it's not because anyone told me to. It's just the relationship I built with water and who I call Nirthas. And I started bringing flowers to her. Not because, again, anyone told me to do that or said that that's what I should do. It's just because that's what began to feel like part of the relationship. The world is more alive than we often allow ourselves to believe. With Gebo today, I brought Ansuz, communication in all of its forms. Not just words, but wind, sound. What are some forms that you know to be forms of communication in your life, other than just speaking words?